All right, so as you'll clearly see in a moment, we've completely destroyed the kitchen. I'm doing a project with the girls. Yeah, the kitchen's ruined, but some good stuff's happening. So, show me what's going on. What are we doing next?
So we're baking a cake, and next we have to mix milk, butter, and eggs in a large bowl. So here's the butter. Here's the Papa's phone in here.
What are you doing, Francis?
I'm gonna put all the blue sprinkles in here first. It says milk.
What's in this one?
Yaya sprinkles for Mama. So we have to move the butter in there. There we go. This much milk. That's not hard to do. This is what I do. I get all the blue sprinkles, put them in here, and dump them into there. And then next, we have to put in 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
And then butter, and then milk.
Okay, 1,
No!
2.
You have to crack them.
Oh, here, I'll crack it.
No! Not like that. You got a little buttery. Ugh. You have to crack the egg on this and then separate it. Oh dear, that one crazy.
All right. A little bit. There you go.
Francis is a professional egg cracker. Did she show you?
Well done.
I'm more good. Can I eat this?
No. Orange, you glad I didn't say yes? You can eat it.
It's going pretty well. Where were you supposed to put cake mix in?
I don't know, you're in charge.
What is it?
Look at all the blue sprinkles.
That was supposed to be in there.
That reminds me, guess what Claire said yesterday? She said, with the yellow sprinkles, we were getting yellow sprinkles yesterday, and Claire said, and Cindy's like, no, you can't eat them. And Claire said, no, I want to drink it.
because they were in like a cup for the start, you know? So she said, no, I want to drink it.
This is from Winnie the Pooh. I wasn't going to eat it, rabbit. I was only going to taste it.
Like what?
The honey. Oh, you found some more?
How's this look?
What do we even look like? It had a lot of colors.
Bake. For cake, bake for 48 to 52 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center comes out with only a few crumbs. For cupcakes, bake from 22 to 34 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the top comes out clean and tops are slightly round. Makes a round cake layer or 2 cupcakes.
What are you going to help with when it's your turn?
More sprinkles and frosting.
Yeah, that's right. See you soon.
And then I did a pattern.
So
She's going to do a pattern, she said.
I want to bake with my heart.
With your heart?
Yeah.
Get out of here, heart baker. What are you doing?
That's a lot of it.
That's a lot.
Yeah. And the troubles. Your hand.
This. I'm going to get also another. Good job, Dennis. I was just making sure I didn't know where you were going to put it. Like by the edge. There you go.
And Papa does moving it.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making stuff up.
looking pretty good.
I just want to eat chocolate frosting. I love chocolate.
No.
I know, but we gotta wait. quit. No.
Oh, you got it.
Hey.
Did you guys already lose the weight?
Can you see your tongue? Where's your tongue? Yeah.
I know.
You're so smart.
Right? That's what that is. You realize in the publicly hoping that somebody will go around downstairs there's a vigilante here. Start doing it for me.
Long way. These kids are so funny.
I know, Dad.